Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn on the phone, you need to press the power key button here on the right side of your phone for a few seconds. And if you get the this option like me, when you just press your power key button for a few seconds, and you get the all voice assistant here, so you should tap here to cancel, and now just tap here to the settings to turn off this feature, just to turn off your device. So now you should go here to the accessibility features, tap here to the shortcuts and gestures, and go to the all voice. Now you just should disable this option to wake the all voice with your power button, and now just hold for a while the power key and you'll see the power off menu. You can restart your device or just to power off. We'll just turn it off, tap here once and confirm by tap on the power off icon again. And as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.